Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a price action analysis on volatility 10 index. Alright, so as you can see, I took a sell entry, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to come about this decision. Alright, why I took this entry. Alright, so I will be heading to the daily time frame to do a top-down analysis. Alright, I want to start from the daily time frame. Right, down to this the 15-minute time frame right here where I took this entry. Okay, so now I'll be marking the trend. All right, here on the daily, I want to identify the trend of the market to see the direction market is going, so that I'll move with it. All right, the trend is your friend, as the saying goes. Okay, now as you can see, this is kind of showing us a downtrend movement. All right, so I'll be putting in another trend line again in order to match up with the price. All right, in order to match up with the price very well. So as you can see, price is kind of in a downward movement right now. Right, so I'll be stepping down to the 4 hours time frame. Now here on the 4 hours time frame, I'm going to be putting in some support and resistance zone again. Right, so I can spot a support and resistance zone here. All right, and this here has been tested multiple times, so this is a strong support and resistance zone. As you can see, price reversed from here. All right, got to this support level, made a bounce a little bit, break below it. All right, and made a retest. All right, you can see it got back to the zone here, which is now a resistance. All right, it was rejected, so you can see the reaction there. It got here again, bounced down. All right, so this is a major support and resistance zone that needs to be taken note of. All right, and also around this area where I took the sell, there is also another support and resistance zone here. Around this area here, there's another support and resistance zone that needs to be taken note of. All right, so you can see the reaction. You can see the way price is reacting to this area around here. That shows that it's a very strong support and resistance zone also. All right, but I'm going to say that currently in this market now, the market is kind of ranging. All right, the market is kind of ranging right now, but I'll be deleting this zone. Right, so let's step down to the 1 hour time frame again. Now here on the 1 hour time frame, all right, this is where the decision of taking this sell came from. All right, so I'll be stepping down to the 30-minute time frame so that we'll see this zone clearly. All right, so like I said earlier, there is a resistance zone here. All right, which is kind of bouncing price, which price is kind of reacting to right now. All right, so there's a resistance here, right, that needs to be taken note of. Now, plan of action. All right, there are two ways price is going to go. All right, so either price is going to sell, all right, based on the trend of the market. We are in a sell trade. All right, so if now this is why I took this entry. All right, as you all know, the overall trend of the market is a sell. Right, so market is kind of heading down. All right, so in this kind of market, you want to be looking for, if you want to be following the trend, then you want to be looking for a sell entry only. All right, so the plan of action is that if price is at a resistance zone now, I will be looking for a sell. All right, so this sell now, my target area is going to be around this area here. All right, as a scalper, I don't need to hold for long, right? So this area is going to be my targeted area. All right, because it is the nearest support zone I can find in the market. All right, so I'll be watching out for price to get there, and then I close my entry. All right, but if this fails, then I'll wait for price to like break above our resistance here. All right, come back for a retest. I'll be waiting for price to break above this area, make a retest, and then I'll be looking for a buy to the next area of resistance, as you can see here. All right, so this is my numerous plans of action. All right, but in this market, I'll be looking for sell trades only. All right, as a trend follower. All right, as someone that is following the trend, I'll be looking for sell trades only. Okay, so I just said I should quickly share with you this vital information. All right, hopefully someone hopefully someone out there is going to learn one or two things from this short video. Okay, so it's been long. I make the video like this. All right, I've been through so many things, but I'm back now. Okay, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Okay, make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. All right, and one more thing before I go, and it's about the powerful boom and crash strategy. So if you know you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, you have been struggling out there, struggling to make money financially from the forex market. If you know you are out there and you have been blowing your account, I have a powerful boom and crash strategy, a VIP boom and crash strategy that will help you grow your small account. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so this strategy I'm talking about, even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to use it to make money from the market on daily basis. Okay, it's strictly designed for trading boom and crash. All right, and even if you're a beginner, you can use the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure to message me on WhatsApp and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so I think that's going to be that about that. All right, and one more thing again before I go, the last time, is about the broker I'm using. So many of you have been asking, you want to trade boom and crash, you want to trade volatility, but you don't know the broker to use. The broker I'm using is called Deriv. All right, with them you will be able to trade volatility indices. You'll be able to trade the forex market on daily basis. All right, the market doesn't close and their spread is also good. Okay, so you check the description of this video. You're going to see the link to sign up with them. Okay, click on it. The link will take you directly to their website. You sign and deposit your money. You start trading with them. Okay, so that is that about that. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you out.